Well, about a year ago, me and my mom were talking, and I really didn't know what I wanted to do. And then she said that she had this program down here, and I just wanted to try it out and see if it was for me. And it's been really good to me so far, and I really can't wait to graduate and see what jobs I can get with this.
I really like nursing, and I wanted to see how I can be better in the future and help other people out.
I chose it because I wanted to get a leg up in the business industry because I want to eventually own my own bakery.
Ever since I was little, I've been working with my grandpa, working on vehicles, and working with my dad with vehicles, and it's always been something I've wanted to do.
Welding has always been something I've liked and loved to do since I was younger, and I thought, why can't I just make it a lifestyle after I get out of high school?
I figured it would be a very good opportunity once I get out into the job world, and I believe that it's a really good way to provide for my family.
I chose the OSSM program because it'll help me in my college career in the future.
I like the job readiness and being hands-on, and I like my instructor, Mr. Gilstrap.
I'm working on overhead bevel so I can make my way to MIG and then make my way to pipe.
We are doing some learning skills, like how to do oral care on residents and bathing them and learning like what you do, like how to take care of them.
Right now we're working on the endocrine system, and we're doing reports about how any disease we have and explain it out in the future.
I just finished accounting, and at the moment I am now working on the ICTC classroom posters for the year.
I'm currently working on my car doing an oil change, but we've been working on electronics.
In physics, we are currently working on torque and statics, and in calculus, we are currently working on integrals and differential equations.
I'm working on a 3G vertical bevel, trying to get it done so I can move on and keep on going through the ranks of welding here.
Currently in the class I'm working on my certifications for different things like Microsoft suites and accounting and just competency tests. Getting to meet new people has been a very good experience. Just learning a bunch of new stuff, like how to take care of people.
I really like anatomy at the moment, and I like dealing with bones and the muscular system because I get to learn new things.
Learning everything new about automotive, it's a huge industry.
Well, the different people that you get to meet in a day-to-day basis, especially the other students that are in the program that you're in, mine, it doesn't matter who you are, where you come from, everybody's good friends with everybody, and it's all just a great time.
My favorite thing about ICTC and the OSSM program is the encouraging atmosphere.
I love that even though it's difficult, that our teachers are still there to help us and they treat us like family.
Everyone here is like a big family. Everyone cares about each other and is willing to help anybody. If you need help with anything, there's always someone that's going to be willing to help you.
Getting together with all my classmates and getting to know them better, having a fun time.
I like being able to meet new people and learn different things that I never thought I would have learned.
The people, I love the respect that we give each other. It's just like you'd be on a job, we respect one another, we help one another, and I'm all about the teamwork.
It's super fun. You get to learn a lot of stuff, you get to do a lot of things, and stuff that you wouldn't even think you would do in the industry, you get to do in this class.
Do it. Or don't not go just because your friend's not going with you. I didn't have anybody joining the program with me, and now I'm best friends with everyone in the class.
Do it, because you may never get another chance.
I would tell the student that they should just join.
A great opportunity to further yourself in your interests, but despite whether it's in the OSSM program or any other program.
If they like a lot of hands-on stuff, it'd be good for them.
It's going to be a great time and a great year for you.
Well, there's nothing wrong with trying it because you really don't know what you want to do unless you try it out.
Just a great time the whole time I've been here.
Prepare to be ready to work, stay focused, and stay confident. Some things take time, but you'll get there.